Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay Manuel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install font to your laptop. So you might have you have seen a font online and you want to install that font to your laptop. Maybe you are a graphic designer or you are a web developer or whatever the profession you do that requires that you see um, a font on the external space and you would like to use that same font. So I will teach you three ways you can use to uh, install font to your laptop. I guess you don't know these strategies before, so let's get started. Method one. So we just need to connect to your internet. So I'll be connecting it to my internet, and after this, just there are a lot of websites. I'm going to be dropping the links to the website where you can download font, but for um, this video sake, I'm going to dafont.com, dafont.com. So let me just maximize the screen so that you can see it very well and do it like this. So getting to this page, we can actually see a lot of fonts. The latest fonts are the ones that are usually displayed on this home page. So which one should we use? Let's pick this one, this Langita. So I think it's a new font, and if I look at this, let me check my download. This is about 3 MB. Well, font might not be that very big. I think this is just a fantasy font that is containing some unwanted assets and some other stuff. So okay, good. Now what next? You can open it from here, but I'll just click this show in folder so that I can limit to this, and there we can extract this folder. Just right click and click extract all. So let me bring that back. Show extracted file is when complete. Yes, I'll click extract. Now this is the basics, and this is the most common strategy that people use to install font, but I'll give you another method to which you can use to install font. So let me see a preview of what this font looks like when we write our own text, and then we'll practice it. We'll see if we can get the same effect when we write our own text. So not to waste time, let me just come here, just click this, and you can double click on your laptop or your desktop, and right here you can see this install. So I'm going to click that install and I'll close this panel. So primarily the font has been installed, and then if you see, like I said the other time, this font is just 67 kilobytes. It's just this unwanted file. This is 1 MB plus, and then some other stuff that made it to be big. So we are looking towards seeing something like this in our design or whatever way we want to use it. So not to waste time, let me just use a basic notepad and search here notepad or wordpad rather. You can use any text processing software you are using, anyone. It can be a graphics application, it could be Adobe, any Adobe product, it could be Corel product, it could be any app. So once installed from one unit, it has been installed finally. So let me say what was written on it, Langita or whatever. Let's say Langita, sorry, Langita, or let me say, yeah, just increase the size so that you can see this, and change this to Langita. So you can see that automatically it has loaded here, and we can see the same effect to our text. So instead of Langita, let me just put my name, and then we can see that it is working well. So these are display fonts are installed. So that's method one. Another method is that we can use bitstream font navigator. It appears like this, bitstream font navigator. So this bitstream font navigator is a usually comes with CorelDRAW, and when CorelDRAW is installed, automatically it is installed too. But I didn't install it yet, so I'll skip this and move to number 3. So number 3 is going to be practical. So number 3, I bet you don't know this one before. So you just come to your local disk, and whatever the disk you are using, your primary disk, just go to your Windows and click on fonts here, and boom, we get to the seat where all the fonts that we are installing on our laptop, this is where they come to sit in the memory of the laptop. So directly from this place, we can install fonts and we can uninstall our fonts right here. So I'm going to practice something like that now. So let's see, I'm coming here to pick another font. So let's say I search for, I think, let me search for Comforter. I don't know if I have this font before, but it's a nice font. And then I click download, and good, it has been downloaded. So I will do the same thing, repeat the same process, right click and extract, or I want to see the extracted version. So good, I have 3 font files here. So I'm just going to select these 3, and I'll drag them right to my font navigator here. So if I bring them down here, automatically you see what's going to happen now. So you can see installing Comforter board. So automatically you don't have to click anything, you don't have to double click anything. Just open this folder and drag your font to this place, or you can copy your font. Not necessarily you drag, just copy your font, and let's see what it's going to tell us now, and paste it here. Paste it. Okay, we can't paste this for now. I think it's because we have already used that version. So you can copy it and paste your font there, and you are going to see it installed. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.